In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Etsy shipping on listings, a crucial task for any seller who wants to ensure a smooth transaction for their customers. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Etsy account. Once you're in, head over to the Shop Manager. It's your main hub for managing all aspects of your shop, and it's important that you familiarize yourself with its capabilities. After navigating to the Shop Manager, you should see a settings option. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be presented with several different settings categories, but for our goal today, we'll focus on the shipping settings. This is where you'll spend most of your time preparing your shop to send out products to eager buyers. Now, once you're in the shipping settings, look for the shipping profile section. Here, you'll have the opportunity to simplify your shipping process by grouping items with similar shipping characteristics. Click on Create Profile. This step is pivotal as it allows you to establish consistent shipping costs, processing times, and destinations for similar types of products, saving you a lot of time and effort down the road. The next step is to choose your shipping prices. Take a moment to consider your pricing strategy. Will you charge a flat rate, offer free shipping, or use calculated shipping based on the buyer's location and the weight of the item? Consider all the variables such as the weight of your items, the distances they will need to travel, and any packaging expenses. Make sure the prices you set cover your costs but remain competitive to attract and retain customers. After establishing your prices, it's time to focus on the processing time. Setting a clear processing time is essential. Consider how long it takes to prepare your product for shipment and make sure to include any potential delays in your estimation. This ensures customers have a clear understanding of when to expect their purchase, helping manage their expectations and enhance their shopping experience. Next, you'll select the shipping services you'll use. Depending on your location and preference, options might include standard, expedited, or next-day delivery services offered by various carriers. Research the services available in your region and decide which offers the best balance of speed and cost for both you and your customers. Moving on to shipping destinations, you'll need to determine where exactly you're willing to send your products. Will you stick to domestic shipping, or is international shipping something you're prepared to handle? Each option comes with its own set of logistics, and being clear about your destinations can prevent costly misunderstandings. Finally, once you've tailored all your shipping settings to perfection, apply this profile to your listings. By doing so, you ensure that every listed item in your shop is equipped with the appropriate shipping information. Regularly reevaluate these settings to keep them competitive and aligned with your evolving business strategies. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up shipping on your Etsy listings. With these steps, you're well equipped to handle the logistics of getting your products into the hands of your customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides like this one. Thanks for watching and happy selling!